Hi, I'm Ashley, and this is Mia. In this lesson, we're going to review 4 different kinds of sentences we've already learned about. You ready? Let's go! A sentence is like a taco. No, really. All tacos have the same basic structure, but there are a number of choices and combinations to create the taco you want. There's also a lot of variety in the way sentences are put together. You've learned about 4 different kinds of sentences: the simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, and the compound complex sentence. It's important to remember that sentences are made up of clauses. A clause is a group of words that contains both a noun and a verb. Of course, there are different types of clauses too. The independent clause can stand alone as a complete sentence, and the dependent clause, also known as a subordinate clause, cannot stand alone as a sentence, even though it has a subject and a verb. Dependent clauses usually begin with subordinating conjunctions. An independent clause might be, I made a sandwich. Short and sweet, but it's a complete sentence. However, if you add the subordinating conjunction after to that clause, you have a dependent clause. After I made a sandwich. It still has a subject and verb, so it's still a clause, but it can't be a sentence by itself. It needs to be attached to an independent clause if it wants to be in a sentence. Okay, that brings us back to those different kinds of sentences. First of all, there is the simple sentence. A simple sentence contains just one independent clause. Hey, that sentence, I made a sandwich, is a simple sentence. It's made of just one independent clause. Here are a couple more simple sentences. I ate the sandwich. It wasn't very satisfying. Here we have 2 separate simple sentences. Each one is made of just one independent clause. However, we can combine the 2 to make a compound sentence by joining them with a comma and a coordinating conjunction. I ate the sandwich, but it wasn't very satisfying. I hate it when that happens. Remember, a compound sentence is made of 2 independent clauses joined by a comma and a coordinating conjunction. Or they could be joined by a semicolon instead. That means we can say, I ate the sandwich, but it wasn't very satisfying. Or we can say, I ate the sandwich, it wasn't very satisfying. Either way, we have a compound sentence. All right, let's stop and review real quick. A simple sentence is made of just one independent clause, and a compound sentence is made of 2 independent clauses joined together to make one sentence. Now let's spice things up with a review of the complex sentence. Remember that dependent clause we had earlier? After I made a sandwich. In order to be part of a sentence, that dependent clause has to be attached to a main clause, which means an independent clause. So we could say, after I made a sandwich, I wasn't hungry anymore. And that would be a complex sentence because it has one independent clause and 1 or more dependent clauses. See that comma after the dependent clause? If we reverse the order of the clauses, we no longer need the comma, but we still have a complex sentence. I wasn't hungry anymore after I made the sandwich. Okay, time to stop and review again. A simple sentence, just one independent clause. A compound sentence, 2 independent clauses. And a complex sentence, that's right, 1 independent clause and 1 or more dependent clauses. Remember, you will always find a dependent clause in a complex sentence. That brings us to the compound complex sentence. Remember that compound sentence? I ate the sandwich, but it wasn't very satisfying. Let's say we want to add a dependent clause to that compound sentence. Because I wasn't hungry anymore. Well, if we add a dependent clause to a compound sentence, we make a compound complex sentence. I ate the sandwich, but it wasn't very satisfying because I wasn't hungry anymore. A compound complex sentence is made up of two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. I probably should have just made a taco. All right, let's do a little mixed review. What kind of sentence is this? Some birds eat seeds and some birds eat bugs. Right, a compound sentence. Okay, what about, since my cat is picky, we buy special food for her. You get that one? It's a complex sentence. Okay, here's a tough one. How about, when we go out to eat, my mom likes French food, but my dad prefers Italian cuisine. Yep, that is a compound complex sentence with two independent clauses and one dependent clause. Okay, last one. My favorite food is a taco. You got it. Simple sentence. A simple sentence contains just one independent clause, and a compound sentence contains two independent clauses joined by a comma and coordinating conjunction, or semicolon. And then we have the complex sentence with one independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. And finally, the compound complex sentence that contains at least three different clauses, two independent clauses and one or more dependent clauses. Okay, how is a sentence like a taco? Well, there are a lot of different combinations that make up the four different kinds of sentences. Remember to look for those clauses, enjoy those tacos, and of course, remember to always be clever.
Hey, hey.